everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I've got another beauty haul. I've just been spending way too much money. This lockdown has really mentally drained me, like a lot of other people, but also drained my bank account a lot more than the other lockdowns have done. So done a bit more spending. Revoloution enticed me in yet again with another deal, so I treat myself to some new bits. So I thought I would show you, and loads of you over on Instagram wanted to see a haul on my channel, so I'm just doing what people want. So yeah, if you want to see all the bits I picked up, then carry on products, which I'm very excited for. They have a new rehab range, which I took full advantage of. So I got the Revoloution Soap and Care Brow Soap, and it's from the rehab range, and it's with added jojoba and castor oil to help nourish and protect your brows. I think the packaging is really nice. It's like matte pink with rose gold. And I don't know, I don't like my brows laminated. When I've done brow lamination I wasn't a fan, not because the girl did a bad job, just because it wasn't my style. However, naturally fluffy brows I kind of like the look of, and I want to give it a go. And in case you were wondering, it's all cruelty free and vegan friendly. So it's matte pink packaging, which I think is super cute. Little mirror too. And I'm not actually too sure how much. This was £6, which I don't think is that bad. I really like the packaging. It's very me, very Malika as well, the pink packaging. Just think it's very nice. For all you girls and guys that like fluffy brows and you haven't tried this out, it's a new range, and I've actually got my hands on a new range before. It's not new anymore. A brow care mask, which just intrigued me a little bit too much. It's with nourishing shea butter and cocoa butter for all your brow needs. I've never heard of a brow mask before, to be honest. Never heard of it. And I was just very intrigued because I love hair masks, face masks, you know. I've even heard of hand masks and feet masks. I've never heard of brow masks. So once again, this is the kind of packaging that they've gone with. If it wants to focus, there we go. And then it gives you an example of what it looks like. It's so nice. It's frosted glass, which just makes me feel like it's so much more expensive than it is. You get 12 grams of product in. Is that, yeah? Yeah. And then you get the silicone end, I'm assuming, to apply. Use the rubber end of the applicator to spread the balm onto the brows, then brush through with the other end of the applicator. Leave overnight for best Leave overnight for best results. I ruined the box, shock horror. But that sounds really cool. I just really like the idea of it. And as I've said in previous videos, I want to up my self-care game. And I am loving how I'm doing my brows at the moment, and I do want to get better. However, you know, all the product that goes on them and everything probably doesn't help. So, create your look. Soap, laminate, hold, vegan and cruelty free soap styler brow brush. So you get the bigger end of the brush here, the other end the normal spoolie, and this was £4.99. and I thought I'd just give it a go because of the fact I bought so many sort of like brow care products. I thought I might as well give it a shot. And it's double-ended brow style. It enables even with the tiniest front hairs to be reached, creates the ultimate fluffy supermodel brow. Antibacterial brushed hair fibres help to reduce bacterial growth, which is amazing, and they're synthetic hairs. Just amazing, 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 and I'm really excited to give it a go. They have got new brushes, which I do want to buy. You can buy the full collection for like £50 odd, which I think is really reasonable. So just watch this space, because I'm probably going to do loads more hauls, but I just thought that was really nice, and I'm loving the packaging. I'm loving the pink vibes. What else have we got here? Next up, we've got another highlighter. I'm a highlighter addict, and I'm just so not sorry about it. This is the Heartbreakers I Heart Revolution highlighter in, I don't actually think it's got a name. I think it's just Heartbreakers. And this was £6, and I just really like the look of it, and I don't have scissors on me, but I really want. Okay, so we've got some scissors. One's actually got from Cherry Z, to be fair. Just been messaging my girls. Courtney's gone, can't wait to see a home bargains haul, because that's the video I filmed just before this one. I haven't shown it to you guys yet or not, but it looks pretty. I'm really hoping it stays pretty. If not, I'll just give it to someone. Oh, it's like a peachy packaging. Oh, that's pretty. I think that's really cute. I think I Heart Revolution has got such cute packaging ideas. It's kind of like a good dupe for Too Faced. Oh, that's beautiful. It's got like an iridescent shimmer as well. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know how well it's actually, there you go, Can you see that like iridescent shimmer? Can't quite tell if you can see it or not, but I'm very excited to give that a go. I love a good highlighter, so it's going to be brilliant. So I saw this and I love a good primer, but this is classed as a serum apparently. So it is and it's new, it's the liquid powder pore blurring makeup serum. So you use it in place of the primer, and it is with pink clay and rose. You get 19 ml of product, and I just, once again, I don't know what it is with their pink vibes, but I'm absolutely here for it. And this was £10, which is a bit more pricey, but I was like, you know what, let's just give it a go, because I love the matte kind of effect. I love the look of no pores, just really smooth, flawless. So I thought, let's just give it a go. Oh, that bottle is beautiful. Like, how gorgeous is that? Like, hello. And I love serum like products. I just feel like they agree with my skin so well, and you know, great properties, great ingredients. Why the hell not? And two foundations. I got my cult favourite, the Conceal and Define in F2, because I just love this foundation a little bit too much, and I am going to take the, well, that wasn't anywhere near as satisfying, so I should have absolutely loved this foundation. It was £9.99, and it's just amazing. Their shade range, Revolution, is just absolutely insane. It's such an affordable brand, and they trump so many high-end brands. A, for quality, and B, for like diversity. It's amazing. And I love this foundation. I do love the collection one. I've got the Lasting Perfection one. I've got it on my skin now. It's one of my favourite foundations I've found so far. However, this is one that I know I can always go back to, that I'm always going to love, and it's just so damn good. So I thought, you know what, whilst I'm here, might as well get one. But then I also got the Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation. However, this is not their glowy foundation. They have branched out in their foundation game, and they have got the glow foundation in this kind of bottle form. But this is their Radiance, so it's like a bit of more of a natural glow, not really, really dewy, which is just not my kind of thing. So I got F2 because Conceal and Define foundation is in F2, so I thought we'll kind of go off that. And it's to medium to full coverage, and I'm really excited to give this a go, because I am quite liking getting more to a natural glow, naturally very slight dewy finish to my skin. I'm still a matte foundation girl at heart, but I just want to try some new things, see whether I prefer things to other products. And this was £10? No, this was £9. This was cheaper than this one, only by 99p. But I do love Revolution foundations, the ones I've tried so far. I love the coverage, I love the finish, so I'm very excited to give it a go, and I will give you my thoughts when I do. Yeah, it's got a pump, which I actually think is amazing. I think all their foundations should have updated packaging with pumps. Not that it's going to focus. Because I just think it's so much more hygienic and so much easier, whereas this one, I'm not going to open this one, so I don't want it to go off. But it's got a doe foot applicator, which I do really love. I literally look dead. I actually think I'm dead. I look dead on camera. But yeah, it's doe foot, so it's not as hygienic. You can put it on the back of your hand, but I'm too lazy. I just put it all over my face. But yeah, I think all of their foundations should have pumps. What I picked out was the Makeup Obsession Matte Magic Mattifying Fixing Mist. This is with blueberry extract. I do love some of Makeup Obsession's products. And I thought, you know what, let's give another setting spray a chance. Let's see whether it actually does anything. And the best test of setting sprays is obviously in the summer or in extreme heat, or when you obviously at the moment we have to wear face masks, whether it takes off your makeup or not. We'll see. And I just thought I'd give it a go. And this was only £8. Thought it was very reasonable. Makeup Obsession have got some amazing highlighting products, so I thought, let's just give this a go. I do want to try their concealer at some point, but I thought I'd try and restrain myself. MPO, so it's literally just a white powder, translucent. I loved the matte base, I think it was F1 that I used up of this, and I just needed a new powder because my Revolution powder foundation has hit pan massively. I will be getting rid of it at some point, so I wanted a backup powder, and I really do trust Revolution powders. I absolutely love them. I don't think there's many that I haven't liked, to be honest. So this is what it just looks like. It's very boring, very book standard, but hopefully it will do the job. And this was only £3, sorry, £3.99. So very, very excited to try that out. And also, can I just say, I love their packaging because they wrap up stuff in this, which is all recyclable, which is amazing. A box of goodies for Valentine's Day, and I spent £63.97, so I did exceed the limit, which is good. But inside, it's actually got some amazing products in, some products I've wanted to try for ages, so I'm very, very excited. So the first thing in here is the Glow Revolution Prime Set Glow Illuminating Face and Body Spray, and this is the lighter one. This is an Eternal Gold, and it is a dupe for the iconic London, and it's so gorgeous. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but it is so shimmery and it's so beautiful, and I just cannot believe this is in here, because normally sometimes the freebie boxes can be quite crappy, they don't really have any products you'd like, but this one has absolutely smashed it. I'm being serious, it's amazing. So I'm very excited to give this a go, and I've always wanted to, I've just never got around to buying it, and I think the retail price of this is like £10. So then you get a I Heart Revolution Blushing Hearts Iced Hearts Triple Baked Blusher. Now I don't use blusher, and even if I did, this just wouldn't be the shade range I'd use. I like peachy toned and apricot kind of toned blushers. So my mum saw this when I showed her the bits I got, and she said, oh, I'll have that. I was like, okay, saves me having to put it in a giveaway. And the other item in here that I won't be using is the Soph Lipstick in Fudge. Because I just don't use lipstick. I use lip glosses, lip oils, and sometimes a lip liner if I'm feeling adventurous. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. It may be featured in my 1,700 subscriber giveaway when I hit that. But we've got another face mask, which I'm really excited for. I say another, I haven't got a face mask in this haul, it's because I've just filmed my home bargains. But this is the Jake Jamie collaboration face mask, and this is the Feed Your Face Cocoa and Oat mask. And I've seen obviously on Saffron's Instagram, as in Saffron Barker, and Anastasia Kingsnorth, because they're all friends with him. They've all been sharing his masks ever since he came out with the collaboration, and I haven't got round to it because I've got my firm favourites of face masks, and I just thought, no, I'll just stick to the makeup. However, I love Revoloution skincare, so I'm really gassed that this is in here. It gives me a chance to try it. So yeah, don't want to open it because I don't want it to go off, but I love the look of it. I love clay masks. Clay masks are my favourite kind of face masks. If you've got any good recommendations, let me know. So the lid looks like it's really cute, so I'm very excited to try this out. And then the last thing is an eyeshadow palette, which I've got to be honest, normally you get like the eyeshadow palettes you've never used, which would have been fine, so it's a freebie box and I could put it in a giveaway. However, I love the packaging. It is super cute, and the shades are surprisingly very me. Like, there are pops of purples in here. There are pops of purples in here which I may not use as much, but there are some very earthy tones, and I'm very excited to give them a go. I was very pleasantly surprised because although, as I said, purpley tones and some green tones, majority of them I can work with when I get back into eyeshadow and feel a bit more confident with eyeshadow again, but it also branches out my comfort zone a little bit. And this is the Courage Wild Animal palette. And I'm very happy with the bits I got, and all of this will be going in the recycling, which is just fantastic. But I'm very excited with the makeup products I have got, and I'm very excited to try them out for you guys and let you know what I think, because Revoloution is one of my favourite brands ever in total, just because of what they stand for, the fact that they're cruelty free and vegan. They've got so many products, something for everyone, literally. The shade range, like the diversity and the quality in their products is just amazing for such an affordable brand. So yeah, anyway, without rambling anymore, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, because as I mentioned, there will be a 1,700 subscriber giveaway, so if you want to be in for a chance of winning, definitely make sure you're subscribed. Let your friends and your families know, because it's going to be a good giveaway, and we'll just be one step closer to 2k, which will be an epic giveaway. It's going to be massive. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.